Hey there, Money Loop family. Don't forget to subscribe for smarter financial success. Let's dive into today's money strategy. Start making money today with these 5 side hustles that actually work in 2025. There are countless opportunities to side hustle, so never underestimate your skills or your audience. You may be surprised by how much you can earn by simply sharing your knowledge or expertise. If you're wary about starting, remember that action is the key to success. Taking that first step often leads to unexpected results. Now, get ready to transform your skills into a profitable venture, and start your journey towards financial independence today. In conclusion, side hustles offer a realistic opportunity for anyone willing to put in the effort and time. The diverse options presented are accessible, straightforward, and can significantly boost your income. By choosing a hustle that aligns with your strengths, setting clear commitments, and consistently showing up, you can navigate the journey to financial freedom effectively. Start today, and remember, your potential is limitless. In 2025, opportunities for side hustling have dramatically transformed, offering more avenues than ever for generating income. Embrace the flexibility and creativity these hustles provide, as they cater to a range of skills and preferences. As you embark on this journey, always be open to learning and adapting, since each experience can enhance your approach and lead you to greater success. The world is brimming with potential. Your ambition is the only limit. In today's digital age, leveraging your unique talents and perspectives has never been easier, opening the door to diverse income streams that fit seamlessly into your life. Whether you're creating engaging content for social media, sharing valuable insights through online courses, or designing digital products that solve real problems, each side hustle offers a pathway to financial stability and personal growth. Embrace these opportunities, invest time in honing your skills, and remember that consistency and commitment are crucial elements toward achieving the financial freedom you desire. By taking actionable steps, you can transform your passions into thriving side businesses, proving that with the right mindset, anyone can succeed in this new landscape. Online courses are gaining immense popularity as more individuals seek tailored learning experiences, and the demand for niche content is particularly strong. With platforms like Teachable and Udemy providing the infrastructure, creating a mini course can be a straightforward process. Whether you decide to focus on budgeting tips for families, meal prep strategies, or design methods using Canva, the key lies in ensuring the information is both valuable and precisely targeted. Instead of lengthy lectures, consider shorter, engaging videos for effective teaching, enhancing user experience. By doing so, you create engaging educational content, and you can tap into the potential earnings of those eager to upskill. Did you know that people are making a living by flipping thrift store finds? In 2025, second-hand items have become goldmines for savvy hustlers. Start by frequenting local thrift shops, estate sales, or garage sales. Look out for quality clothing, collectibles, or vintage pieces that hold resale value. A well-researched niche is key, whether it's retro fashion or popular collectibles. Once you find items, use platforms like Poshmark, eBay, or Depop to list and sell them. It's a chance to earn from items that might otherwise gather dust in someone's closet. The thrill lies in the hunt and the ability to breathe new life into forgotten treasures. In 2025, the gig economy continues to flourish, attracting individuals seeking flexible income options. One of the standout opportunities is the concept of storefront dropshipping. By partnering with suppliers, you can create an online store without the overhead costs of inventory. Simply build a Shopify or WooCommerce store, curate products that appeal to a specific market, and when a customer makes a purchase, the supplier fulfills the order directly. This model allows you to focus on marketing and customer engagement without worrying about storage or shipping logistics. What's essential here is identifying a niche that not only interests you but also has demand. Whether it's eco-friendly products, tech gadgets, or personalized gifts, a well-defined niche can lead to loyal customers and sustainable profits in this growing sector. You can make safe investments through peer-to-peer lending platforms that connect borrowers with lenders directly. These platforms allow you to lend small amounts of money to individuals or businesses in exchange for interest payments. With careful selection of borrowers based on their creditworthiness, you can earn returns potentially higher than traditional savings accounts. Just remember to diversify your investments across multiple loans to minimize risk and ensure a stable income stream while you work towards your financial freedom goals. You might be wondering how to get started with these side hustles and gain traction quickly. The first step is to conduct thorough research. Understand the specific niche you're drawn to and see what successful individuals in that area are doing. Engage with potential customers on social media platforms, joining discussions in relevant online communities to refine your ideas and get direct feedback. As you embark on this journey, remember that consistency is key, and with determination, you can master the chosen hustle, ultimately unlocking the potential for extra income and personal growth. You've likely come across various side hustles, but 2025 presents unique opportunities that can cater to different lifestyles. One effective strategy is utilizing your existing skills to provide services such as consulting or coaching. Whether in personal finance, fitness training, or life coaching, leveraging your expertise by offering one-on-one sessions or group workshops can be both fulfilling and lucrative. With virtual meeting platforms easily accessible, you can connect with clients from anywhere, allowing you to expand your reach significantly. Focus on building your brand and reputation through testimonials and social media presence, as they can greatly enhance your visibility. Taking the initiative to promote your services in online communities makes a difference, too. Don't underestimate your ability to transform your knowledge into a sustainable income stream. This approach can truly elevate your side hustle game in 2025. In addition to these exciting side hustles, don't forget the power of networking and building connections within your chosen field. Engaging with other hustlers can lead to valuable partnerships and opportunities you might not have discovered on your own. Attend local meetups or webinars to exchange ideas and learn from the experiences of others. Remember, collaboration often breeds innovation, so be open to sharing your journey and insights. As you navigate your side hustle, cultivating a support system can provide motivation and encouragement, ultimately amplifying your chances of achieving long-term success and financial independence. Keep pushing forward, and embrace the community around you. Embracing the world of side hustles in 2025 means adapting to trends while staying true to your unique skills. As you explore these opportunities, remember the importance of persistence in your efforts and the value of keeping a learner's mindset. Each step you take in your hustle brings you closer to realizing your financial goals and gaining newfound confidence in your abilities. The potential is right at your fingertips, seize it. In summary, the various side hustles discussed provide accessible avenues for earning extra income in 2025. They empower individuals to leverage their unique skills while emphasizing the importance of commitment, action, and adaptability. By dedicating oneself to a chosen hustle, anyone can achieve financial freedom and personal growth. The journey starts now. Take that leap. Thanks for watching Money Loop. If you found this helpful, like the video, leave a comment, and subscribe for weekly AI-powered money tips. Thumbs up, likes, speech balloon comments, bell subscriptions.